doing? You doing a little crawl because you like your bunny there? Yeah? Oh, because you like your bunny, you do a crawl? Hey bunny, that's the wrong way. Can't get out that way. Nope, nowhere. Can't get out that way. Hey bunny, what you doing here? Oh, you cleaning yourself? What are you doing? Cleaning? Hey, I'm here. What's up? What you do? What you doing? Oh, you hearing these weird birds up there? Every sound makes her. Whoop, whoop. Sharky. Uh-oh, where's the bunny going? They're gonna go somewhere. Get out of behind the gate here. You are stuck behind. The bunny is stuck behind. Can't see. What was that jump? Let me see you better. I want to see you better. I just want to go inside the animal yard. Check out the chickens. Chickens are out right now. How many times a day you kiss Sharky? When a big bird fly over, Bunny puts his ears down, tries to hide. Bunny? Gonna hide there because some loud noise is out. Meow! Meow! Where'd the bunny go? Sharky's the security man. Keep an eye on the bunny. There he is. He's safe under the bushes. You miss mommy? You miss mommy? Ah, I missed you too, Sharky. All day by yourself? All day by yourself? Wait, oi, there goes Bunny. There goes Bunny. Bunny runs the other way. Hey, hey, Birdie. Do that when they get excited and play. Is that your baby bunny, huh? Bunny wants to eat grass. Don't bother him, Sharky. Look how fast he runs. Left, right, turns away. Sharky's not even ready to. Wait, that dog is really old and barely sees. Okay, there goes Bunny. See you later.